Hey guys, this is SoulRack333 with another review, and here I have the Masters of the Universe Origins Champ Clamp. Now, haven't done any reviews of these figures other than the customs that I've done, and you know, I don't plan on doing too many of these reviews unless I have something interesting to say about these. Now, I have no attachment to this character. I don't remember him in the original cartoon. I don't remember his action figure, but I guess there was one. And I know that there was a classics version of him, which actually looked pretty cool. But no idea who this guy is. But when I saw him in the store, I was actually surprised because these things are so hard to find. But I guess this just came out and I just happened to catch him on the day they put him on the shelf and got him. And he looks pretty cool. Your basic Origins figure. Comes with two weapons. This one has the clamping gimmick, which is pretty cool. And then this weapon here too. Now this guy also comes with an alternate hand, which I think all of these figures should come with an alternate hand. It's nice that they're trying to homage the original figures with the fisted hand and open hand, but come on, give us a second. Like two, like punching hands, open hands, give us more. And then an alternate head. This one looks like, I think this is just the Rock head repainted because he's doing the eyebrow thing. So I kind of like this one better. He looks more serious. And there he is, looking cool. Now, the only reason I got him is so I can do some fun swaps. Now, here's my hairy He-Man, who had some work done on his arm. So this He-Man is getting more manly. There's a hairy body, hairy chest, hairy back. Need some manscaping right there. But now I can do this. My own He-Bro figure. I just started following this YouTuber named He-Bro. He does really cool Masters of the Universe customs. And yeah, he looks awesome. My hairy He-Man is just hairy man. Yeah, that looks awesome. Damn, that's hairy. Basically, you have one awesome team up. He-Man and He-Bro. And then, now, I actually don't have a lot of classics figures. I kind of got in late in the game and missed out on a lot of the important characters. I do love the 2000X series. Too bad it got canceled when they were going to do, right before they did a season 3 and they talked about possible storylines. They were going to introduce She-Ra. They were going to introduce the Horde and do more with the Snake Men, and I guess one of the storylines was that Man-at-Arms was going to become a Snake Man, and that's it. He becomes one. There is no turning back. He becomes evil. And then the palace needs a new Man-at-Arms. And so, and I think the storyline is that Champ Clamp would have been the new Man-at-Arms. So that's pretty cool. Man, that would have been the cool storyline to see. Now, my Man-at-Arms will stay as Man-at-Arms, so for now I have an extra head with no body. And I have a body with no head, so he will go on whatever this is. Multi-racial man. So you can see where the arm went. So yeah, Masters of the Universe Origins Champ Clamp with some fun parts swapping. Make a Hebrew figure, and you got hairy He-Man all tatted up. So thanks for watching, guys.